Hi all, we Matrix team are here to automate the status email sent to client. Clients would generally needed to know the status of projects of monthly, daily, weekly on weekly basis. So we are using the leverages of features and libraries provided by Azure and to automate this status. So now we are come up with the solution of web API and as well as console application. So first we'll go through console application. So we can schedule this console application in task scheduler or in Azure functions as well. We can schedule it at a particular time and it will be running at that time. But in this case, we can miss the team member status, whether they have filled or not. So it will be a failure case. So we are having the web application as well. So we have authorization for this web application. So we are showing this here. Only the authorization will be for the authorized team members. And here now we can execute the queries based on daily, monthly and custom. First we'll go for daily status. Execute query. In this web application we have an option to preview the email and send it. And we have a notify also to the team members which has not filled the status. Yeah, here it is the preview of the email and we have multiple options for notify, like whoever have filled the status will disable the notify button, and whoever did not fill this status we can send the reminder email for them as well. We will see this here. We have bulk notify as well here in this. Send this email with this email, send email button. Yeah, here is the email that is sent to the bulk, like to all the email recipients like this, and we'll have the email. We can have a single notify as well with this option. Yeah, this is our complete daily status email which we will receive to what we have set for our two. We have here set the temporary email to be sent like Mahalakshmi. So this email will be sent. Coming to the next is monthly status, and we have this execute query option. Here is our monthly status which we will retrieve from our query, like complete details and with the hours which we have assigned for it. So this is the complete email, and the send button will send this email to the client, or which we have, but for our configuration purpose we have set it for a dummy email. So we have a custom query option also, means it will retrieve the complete Azure it will retrieve the complete Azure queries which we have from the list. This is the complete previous sprint task query which we have in our Azure DevOps, which will retrieve the complete data, like complete previous sprint tasks. We have settings option also here, which will retrieve the current project settings, all those things. Like this is the collection URI we have and our project name, what is the hierarchy we are having, and what is the subject for the email, and from email to email, CC email, and notify user subject. What should we have? Like what are the custom settings we have that in web config we have here, the complete settings for this project.